Hey everybody, today we're in a Kia Telluride. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855890. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and under here. Now you do want to peel that cover off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, always make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach right here between the two center screens. There's a bezel that runs right in between them that the mount sits on. And the first place we're going to attach is right here, which is just above where the vents are. And then the second place will be up here, right on the top of the screen. So the first thing you're going to do is take this angled edge. Normally, we're not going to peel the tape today, but you will want to. And you're going to line it up. The easiest way to line up is to line up the right side of the mount with the very left side of this vent here. So basically where the vent ends is going to be where the right side of the mount should line up. And you want to hook that on the underside of this lip. And then you basically rotate it forward until we're touching up here. Use your one hand to hold it in place, and then your other hand, fingers on the back of the screen, thumb on the faceplate, and just, there we go. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.